This test represents airborne sound transmission in 2x4 walls. So what we have is we have a bucket of fiberglass. We have 3.5 inches all the way on all sides. We also have a bucket of cellulose. Again, 3.5 inches on all sides. What we're going to do is we're going to put a personal alarm into the fiberglass bucket first, and then we're going to transfer it over to the cellulose bucket. Now we have both brands of cellulose here, our New Wool or our spray product for new construction, as well as our cell pack product for dense pack and new construction and for retrofit buildings. So I'm going to pull this off. It's going to be very loud, so you're not going to be able to hear me. I'm going to show you how loud it is, then I'm going to move it from one bucket to the other. You can see that the cellulose does a much better job at airborne sound transmission, resisting that, than the fiberglass insulation.